PayPal verification of the residential address. So we'll see this PayPal as a temporary limit. We'll come here, we'll see notification. It tells me to comply with the regulatory requirements. We need confirmation of your identity as the owner. So I'll be able to say okay. Once I say okay, I will come to use all PayPal features. Confirm your identity. Providing this information keep the PayPal community safe, as well as comply with the government regulations. So we'll see provide the proof of confirming the address. So we'll come to the residential address. This is my residential address. Then I will see, we'll come to documentation, we'll see utility bill. Once we see to utility bill, I will come to for example, an electric gas landline or water bill. I'll be able to drag it and drop the file here. So I'll come to my downloads. I prefer to submit a utility bill. So we can see legible for most current version, include the name of the user on the PayPal, do not exceed a total of 5 MB and must be in JPEG, JF and PNG. So I'll be able to submit a proof of resident address. So it tells it is taking some time to upload, and the tutorial is end. Ensure you subscribe to lifestyle tutorials. In case you have any query, reach me out via my WhatsApp number in the description link, or my Gmail account is all in the description link, or in the comment section. I'll be able to respond immediately. Thank you for providing the required information. Thank you.